They are from overseas.
Seas.
Are you alright, lady? This is a skin.
This is a leather. Leather product. Leather. Don't worry for them who so long. Zamukeza ngeskripot. Also right.
Thank you for visiting us, man. Thank you, lady, for visiting us, okay? I can see this is a skin and this is a leather. You know, you are not the same.
Yes.
Tell the Russians that you see the Zimbabwe. We are Zimbabweans, sorry.
You see?
We are from Zimbabwe. You know, Mugabe is a shit.
Shit one, you know.
That's why we are here. If Mugabe was right, we are not supposed to come here.
So
in Zimbabwe, there are no rights, there are lefts. If you want to drink the cold drink, you apply. You want to push today, Mugabe replies in November there. So you can't stay there in that country.
Mugabe is dangerous.
Do you understand me?
Yeah.
Omkhula eZimbabwe ngeke lime so. Amaphoyisa kaMugabe aphetha. Lime so uzobeka salibona madoda.
Akadlali bani ubaba.
Akadlali uRopi.
Umgabe unzima bani.
AmaZimbabwe selibaningi egoli.
Too much.
Ngeke uhambe utshela abantu ukuthi umuntu ngumSouth Africa. So no South Africans were like this. It's the Zimbabweans. I think this trousers is only R2.50, if I'm not mistaken. Can you follow any motive to the upper for Mangamami? It's director for Omkhula. This is what I'm going to find. Mautakilum Basumemanga was married up a outing. Shit is a bunch one. Uzamuko smart in Fanagate. Ungabagqoka impahla zika92. Yiko besaya lapha egoli idressing yali bhayizisi. Na ngomunye ufaka ijezi kaMagogo. uMagogo ulele wena ubaleka le jezi. Lady, sorry for interrupting there. In Russia, what do you call this in Russia? No, just tell me. I want to know the language. I mean, for men, what is this?
I can't say.
Why? Everything has got a name in the world.
Everything.
Piska. Hey.
You know,
Piska. Piska. I'll record that one. So for women, it's if me, I want to listen here. If I want to put my Piska there.
yeah, so.
Akubuyele emuva unamfana. So ngathi sihamba sonke uyayibona. Right, ngiyabonga abangani bami. Umalume seyaqala umsebenzi wakho namhlanje. Bangami libona kulabelungu so akudlala kuyanyiwa la.
Yanyiwa ekusanyiwe ngesilungu.
Umuntu lo usuka eRussia. Eza lapha ezobona umalume. I'm telling them you are from Russia. Am I lying, lady? Thank you. In Russia, do you have a husband or a boyfriend? No. So you don't go for it. God, I can say that one. Is that the man who has this one? Next time we'll have a man. That's why you are here. Now, Chakilo Ambasumemanga. Bankara Mrs. Oli perform alive.
Life issue.
Before ngidala performer, ma South Africans ngiyacela.
Please.
Ma South Africans yekana kuchaya abantu.
Yekelani ukuchaya abantu.
Ma uhlulekile empilweni wehlulekile. Yekana bona power be continue.
Umuntu kachaywa.
Kunini chaya abantu? Hamba lichaya abantu lizenofobia, lisinya, lifuna isibonji lesi esilala kizo lesi. lonke litshaya abantu fuseki
umuntu wathaya
asitshaya thina amazimbabwe somali yeclub ma-South Africans sizithulela nje silibekile fi kunini lisishaya
2008 manje 2015
silibekela msibana umgabe sifa siyathiya silitshayile la minutes live show silomlungu nanguyana lapha niyambona naye obuya khona lepheshe eRussia sinaye lapha eHebrew lady are you together here in Hebrew? Okay, just be free. You see now, no compromise, everything is on a good condition.
Everything accordingly.
Just stay safe. Omkhula sambe ngomsebenzi bangamami ekhona sinamazulu amabili sine-phone call yomzulu original yomzulu
ubahlukanisa kanjani
uyabona i-phone call yomzulu ungathi sakubona baba uthi yebo ushuyahamba leyo original
Zulu
from enqulu ungathi sakubona baba